Facebook just paid one of my students $391 for a single photo post on Facebook. Now his page is actually in the Christianity niche and my theme page is in the health and wellness niche. So this works for truly any niche out here. So my student Jason built a faith-based theme page around content that people already love to engage with. And then he followed a very simple system to grow the page and monetize it. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact 4-step system that I teach all of my students and also show you how you can take this a step further by adding print on demand, which is an offer from your very own brand to earn even more income. And this works for pretty much any niche, but you do have to validate the niche and make sure that it is a proven to be profitable one. Now, first, I want to be very, very clear about something. This is about building a content page in a niche where people are extremely passionate about it. Relatable content that people genuinely want to share, and then using Facebook's monetization program along with additional income streams to monetize that audience that you're building. That's when we're creating really solid digital assets that can go on to produce multiple income streams. And the reason that I wanted to make this video is because so many people out here overcomplicate online income. There's really simple steps to follow in order to build a brand, in order to build that digital asset and be able to have something that can continue to pay you in multiple ways. This is what I've been doing for the last 15 years, where 100% of my income has been coming through the internet. So let's go ahead and break it down in simple to understand terms. Step 1, pick a viral niche that you're genuinely passionate about. And when you actually feel passionate about your niche, it's going to be so much easier for you to consume content related to that niche, so then you can recreate it for yourself with your own vibe and personality, and you relate more to the community that you're building. And the type of content that you're posting has to have a very high emotional connection for people and a very strong share potential, right? If you're posting something, you have to think, are people going to want to share this? Because that is huge for getting that viral potential. And Christianity is actually a very strong niche for that exact thing. Why? Because people are constantly sharing Bible verses, testimonials, encouraging messages, and also Christian news from around the world, especially with the times that we're living in. People just really want encouragement or more understanding. The content always performs well when people have a deep, deep connection with it. It's content that stops the scroll, that people want to send to their friends and their family, and they want to drop comments like amen, or engage in meaningful discussions in the comments. And I must continue to reinforce, if you deeply care about this niche, then it's going to be so much easier for you because you're already looking at that content likely, and you can continue to spot good viral content in that niche. So my students aren't just picking niches because they're profitable. They're picking something that gives them purpose and they're excited to show up and talk about it every single day. Now, step 2, we actually research proven to go viral content. Now, this is where people waste so much time. They think they have to be really creative. They think they have to constantly be coming up with new ideas, and that is not it at all. You want to study what is already working. And so I have my students use a tool called Post Planner, and I do have a full tutorial already on my channel, step by step, exactly how to use this tool. So I will link it for you down below in the description along with a free trial. And so there really is no guessing. That research tool is going to help you find content in the niche that you're in that already has tons of shares, tons of views, tons of comments. And then we can quickly identify what is working and repeat that over and over again. Now, of course, we're not taking other people's content. We're not stealing content. What we're doing is recreating it in our own voice with our own branding so that we stand out and don't look like a clone of anyone else. So instead of sitting here every single day and wondering what to post, we log into the tool, do our research, and that can take as little as 30 minutes, and then you can recreate those inside of a tool like Canva, and then just schedule those to go out with the same tool, Post Planner. Schedule those to go out up to, a week or even a month in advance, so you don't have to be sitting on Facebook every single hour of the day. So that leads to step 3, which is posting 6 to 10 or more posts per day. And I think this is the part where most people really underestimate. In order to really grow a theme page, you want to be posting with a decent amount of volume. So Jason started out with 7 posts and started working his way up. Now that may sound like a lot to start out with, but if you sit down, block out your time and do and batch create content, it really doesn't take as long as you may think. Now you're likely not going to know which post is going to take off the fastest, so just set your schedule, do the research, and post the content. And when you do that with enough consistency, it will work. So that is exactly what happened with Jason. He did his research. He found 2 other pages that were posting the same style of post. He put a tweak on it, and his post actually did better than other pages with 10 times the amount of followers as he has. And that single post went on to make him almost $400. Now, my best post so far is $500. So he is right up there with his results. And the crazy thing is, he did that his very first month monetized. So I imagine very soon he's going to be blowing my results out of the water. And I am so happy about that. So my niche, as I mentioned, is in the health and wellness space. And it is not quite as viral as the Christianity niche. I have kind of a cap on where I can grow to, but the niche that he chose is just such a good one. And now the numbers that we're sharing always catch people's attention, right? And it sounds super easy, but it certainly doesn't come from luck. It comes from choosing the right niche. It comes from researching what works and posting consistently for Facebook to find those winners, right? This definitely does take work, but it can be very fun work and very rewarding work. And it sure as heck beats having a boss that can tell you when you can eat, nap, pee, all the things, right? I would much rather be creating content all day long than checking into a job. And once you're consistent enough, it takes just one post to hit really hard to make your whole month's income. So it's not about obsessing over making a great post every time and getting tons of engagement. It's about building yourself a system that you follow every single day and giving yourself multiple chances to win. Now, step 4, let's talk about how to go beyond just Facebook monetization, because this is really important for creating digital assets and for creating income that can last a very long time. So once you have that audience that you're building and you're earning with the monetization income, or even before you're monetized, you want to present offers to that audience, products and things that they can actually purchase from you, things that naturally fit and align with the content that you're already posting. So when you set up your own print-on-demand store and you do not have to stock inventory, you simply create the products online digitally, and Printify, the company that we partner with, will print, pack, and ship those products directly to your customers, 100% branded to you. And these are things that allow people to tap into identity. So we're talking about things like faith-based mugs, things that people have in their routine every single morning, or Christian t-shirts to allow people to share their passion on their clothing and represent that everywhere they go. Or prayer journals are really good ones, and you can post tips on how to journal on your theme page and get people engaged in the process. Or just gifts with encouraging messages, and gifts are huge on Etsy. And so when you utilize the Etsy platform and the customers over there along with your theme page, that is going to give you a power-packed business that can potentially bring in multiple sales every single day. And the key is to not make your print-on-demand product post feel like an ad, but to make it feel like it's incorporated into the lifestyle, into the type of content that you're already making, so people will engage with it and not just feel like you're there to sell them. So now, instead of solely relying on Facebook monetization as an income stream, you are stacking income streams on top of one another. Same work, more income. Facebook pays for the attention, and then print on demand helps you earn from the audience. So you can get started actually with print on demand 100% free, which is one of the things that I also really love about this business model. I'm going to link that down below so you can get started, and I'm also going to share additional tutorials to help you get your store up and running, right? This is really exciting, and I have so many tutorials to help you along the way. You could be up and running within the next couple of hours. And thinking even beyond that, you can create even more assets from that one theme page. We're talking an email list, digital downloads, devotionals, and tons more types of branded products. And the point is, once you build the audience, the sky is truly the limit. This is one of the best skills that you can have in this day and age. This is by far the best investment of your time that I have seen out here. And again, I've been doing this for 15 years. I've seen it all. I've tried it all. And I have truly laid out a system that works time and time again for those who are willing to put in the work. Again, yes, this is work, and it is much harder when you go at this alone. When you're surrounded by other people that are making it happen and doing this on a daily basis, it sort of opens your mind more. You feel more in the groove with everything. And I always like to say a rising tide lifts all ships. So I would love to invite you into my community to become a student, to engage with the other people having success. And if you surround yourself with 4 other successful people, you are likely to become the 5th. So I'm going to link all of my best resources for you down below in the description, and I am so looking forward to your success. Please drop me a comment down below and let me know if you're doing this. And if you have any questions or additional videos that you would love to see on this channel, go ahead and drop those down below, and I'm happy to help you guys out. So make it an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.